Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me. And on this Monday morning, I have just had my delivery. Actually, technically, I've just had my delivery on Friday when I'm filming it, ready for you to see on Monday. But I'm very excited. And you know it's been a big order when it's on 3 pages. Oops. I'm not going to do a full unboxing. I don't like to watch them myself really, because if it's a short unboxing of 10-15 minutes, I can go for it. But if it's very, very long, I generally I'm gonna lose interest. So I'm just going to grab a handful of things. I will do videos in more detail that show the embellishments, paper, possibly the punches if us in Europe can get hold of them. But I will definitely do the paper and embellishments, because you've told me over the last few times I've done them how much you love them and how useful you find them. So I will do those in more detail, but I have got the most enormous box to my left. So I'm just going to grab some things, like I say, not too much detail. Mildly curious as to why I ended up with 2 of the old Olive and Sahara Sand twill ribbon combo packs, and also why I've ended up with 2 of these, which is natural finish ribbon, which is really rather nice actually, to be fair, but that's rather pretty. I don't know if you can see that. It's very pretty. It is what's it called? Rose gold and white ribbon? Striped ribbon. So yeah, I've got ribbons, I've got embellishments, I've got shaky things. So we have 2 of the new punches available to us here in Europe. One of them is the Songbird, and this is, I think it's just called Vintage Bottle. And so these little doodahs in here are meant to be like bubbles. So, filming a video, my children all start conversing loudly. What else have I got? I've got stamps. I thought that was too cute. No idea what that is. I'll come to that later. Ooh, peekaboo treat bags. They'll come up in another video. But look at that. How adorable is that? Love it. I am so excited for this paper. That's the pattern. Yeah, you can see it really well on this one. How lovely is that? So these are that's bright, that's regal, that's going to be subtle. So this is all the background paper. Loving them. Let's get a few more stamps out, because they're the ones I tend not to do a video on. Oh look, more treat bags. They'll come up in another video. Cute, cute, cute. This obviously goes with the punch. And a little cheesy. I just thought that was really fun. Oh, I'm so excited. I've got about a week to work with this lot, because I go away in not too long, and I everything will carry on as normal even if I'm not here. So I go on holiday, this doesn't. So I've got about a week to work with this lot. I'm really, really excited, really excited. So you're watching this video on Monday. So the plan is this weekend I will have worked with it all, and I will have created lots and lots of projects to share with you while I'm away. Yeah, ask me later if that happened, but I'm excited. So this one goes with that punch. Oh, it's just like Christmas. It's so exciting. More dies, don't know what those ones are. Lots. Why have I duplicated those? I don't know why I did it. This is what happens when you film at you order at silly o'clock in the morning. I stayed up late on my lovely husband's birthday, or the night before his birthday, I should say, and ordered this. All paper stuff. They're coming out in another video. Look at these. Oh, this is a $1 Million Achiever, and I don't remember whose it is. Lisa Curcio. Lovely Lisa. Very nice. I like that a lot. I can use that a lot. Cheerful basket, and it's got a kitty cat. It's got a little kitty on it. Had to get it. But really nice. Liking all those fonts. What else have I got? These are very... Was this in a previous catalogue? Did I just not notice it? I don't know, but The bees are so adorable, but I love that. That's very me on a card. And I appreciate I haven't brought lots of cards to you recently, so totally going to amend that. Does anybody remember? I'm sure it was called This Little Piggy. The pigs are back, but different this time round. And that's just so retro. Do you not just look at that and go 70s chic? Or just 70s, because I'm not sure anything about the 70s with chic. Well, I couldn't resist. I do like solid images. I love them. I can do a lot with those. I was going to say a few more, but that would not be the truth. More dies. Ooh, I've already got some of this. This is in colour glimmer paper. So it's glimmer paper in our new 5 in colours. Sparkly. And that, I don't know what that reminds me of. Is it a poppy stamp set? But I love this font. Now, my dad writes in copper plate. He's got the most beautiful handwriting. And I saw it and I was just like, oh, that's my daddy's handwriting. But I really like this font as well. Don't know if I can get close enough for you. It's just nice and sort of whimsical. Fabulous. Full of love. Let's grab another one. Season of Chic. Did I order that? That doesn't look like a me kind of stamp set. Why did I order that? It might have been for the dies. Possibly was for the words. Am I alone in ordering stuff that is, you know, you order it for the words. You order it for bits of it, not the whole. It could be me. Let's grab some more. Why have I got 2 of that one? Did I not just... Okay, apparently there's a giveaway coming soon because, you know, I have 2 of them. Why? How have I ordered 2? Anyway, right, what else have I got? That appears to be the last stamp set. Oh, that's the neutrals. There we go. More embellishments. Like I say, coming to a video soon. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm going to have to go through that order and wonder why I duplicated. And I think, yeah, that's it, except down to paper and stuff. And oh my goodness, that's just caught my eye. Which is this one? Splendid Day. Ooh, look at that reflection of my ring light. That's amazing. This one I could not resist. I absolutely adore toadstools. I have toadstools in my garden, toadstool stuffs in my office. Oh, I know I'm gonna do a video including this. This one's called Happy Forest Friends. I just thought it was too cute. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, nice and plain on the back. Oh, look at that. Oh, it goes with this one. Because there's the waving bear and the owl. And all the little mushrooms. And then plain on the back. Ooh, that's nice. Loving this. Plain again. Ooh, leaves. Very nice. So, oh, lots of layered stamps coming. Layered cards. That's adorable with that fox. Oh, I love it. Oh, look, there's toadstools all over the place. That's got Sam written all over it. Love it. I absolutely love it. I'm so excited. Oh, my passport bag for going away has got toadstools on it. It's got toadstools and Tinkerbell. It's a good combination. Oh, what's this one? Texture sheet. See, look, I could show you everything now, but, you know, like I said, this was not going to be a long unboxing. I just wanted to show you some of the bits I've got. I can't wait to get the punches that are stuck on a container ship. It's just, you know, shipping the world over is an issue. We all know that. So, yeah, they'll come to me in time. I've got plenty to be getting on with. Speak to you all very soon. Bye.